7 years in, and this time it's Canada versus Jamaica. Who will take the title? The first fight kicked off last week with the one and only Sakima Mullings, and boy, did he let off some hits. Watch this.
So excited for another season of the Royal Navy Contender, and I'm sure season 7 will be boxing heaven.
There's only one winner. One winner, Jamaica. Sakima.
Mullings, he must win the fight first.
Yeah, well, certainly might get it tonight because of home advantage.
Sakima, of course.
Sakima.
Who just won the fight?
Mullings.
How was tonight's fight for you?
Good fight. I feel that we got the win, the most important thing, and we got the rounds. I think I made a decent account of myself, so let me talk to my team, but from me being in the ring, I'm happy with my performance.
All right, what are your preparations for this season?
To win.
You doing anything extra special, anything different this time around?
Working with brand new people, and you know, I'm just gonna put my trust in my coaches and my team, and whatever the game plan and whatever the routine that they have for me, stick to it. Remain dedicated, determined, and disciplined.
All right, all the best this season.
Thank you.
What are your thoughts on tonight's fight?
I just check that the guy is more soft. I want him tough, so I give Sakima a really tough fight. Because Sakima getting some good shots. Normally a regular man will drop, but him stand up. But Sakima ring rusty, so you know, as the contender go on, he will get better.
Who are you looking forward to see fight this season?
Sakima Moncrief.
Trust me, as a Jamaican, I want all my Jamaican boxers to reach. They can I'm a boxer myself. You know what I'm saying? So I want all my Jamaican boxers to reach far, and then I'll be like, okay, let's see what happens.
A fantastic way to kick off the season. The first fight goes to Sakima, but trust me, it was quite intense.